guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing with you a galaxy inspired moons and stars kind of nail art design because I have actually received a beautiful stack of layering necklaces by Hey Happiness. Hey Happiness might be known as Happiness Boutique as well. They just recently switched up their brand and their name and so on. I think it's a really cute brand name because, you know, jewelry definitely can add to happiness, you know, in life. So yeah, I got this beautiful stack of necklaces. So you can buy this as a set. As a set they are about 66 euros if I remember correctly. I will leave all of the information about these necklaces down below, but you can get them separately as well if you just like one or two and not all three of these. So let me just get a little bit more up close and personal so you can actually see the necklaces. So yeah, as you can see, I have to like step onto my toes a little bit, but there is a necklace with a beautiful like half moon, crescent moon kind of thing going on. We have one with beautiful like stars. This is all stainless steel in the color silver. I do think that this stack is also available in gold, but yeah, just to finish it off, there also is a double one, which is a beautiful beaded one. So I am really obsessed with this layering stack of necklaces. I think it's really cute and I felt really inspired to actually do a nail art with them as well. So that's what I will be doing today, or at least in today's video. So if you want to see more about that, definitely keep on watching. And if you are new and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But thank you guys so much for watching on forehand. I hope you're all staying safe and happy and healthy, enjoying summer and the hot weather days. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video as well. So before going into the entire nail art review, I just wanted to do a quick overview of the boxes. So the 3 stacked layering necklaces actually come in separate boxes as well, which is pretty neat because these are so delicate and kind of like frail as well that they can get mixed up and knotted up into each other really quickly. So that is pretty nice that they're actually packed separately to prevent any knotting from happening and just a big old mess with your necklaces. But here you can see the 3 necklaces once again, a little bit more up close and personal. I really love the fact that this is just like a 3 separate necklace layering stack instead of just one necklace with a bunch of chains. That way you can actually wear them separately as well. But yeah, I am pretty much in love with these and I will be definitely wearing these a lot. You will see them in some of my upcoming intro videos as well. But for the nail art, I just removed my previous manicure and I'm going in with the Dior base coat. It is one of my favorites at the moment. It is a lot more pricier than what I usually go for, but it is definitely a nice base coat. It dries really quickly and a little bit goes a long way. It dries fast, as I mentioned, but it also makes sure that my manicure lasts a longer period of time, and it also prevents from like massive staining and such, especially if you're using darker, highly pigmented colors like I'm going to do in this particular design, because I am going to do a galaxy inspired nail. And I'm going in with Electrostatic from the new Holo Taco linear holographic collection, which you might have just seen the review and swatch video of as well. If you haven't seen that yet, you can definitely look back at that after watching this video, because I did, as usual, a full-on in-depth swatches and review video on that just last week. So yeah, if you're into that and curious to see the other colors from that collection, which are really pretty, I guarantee you, definitely check it out. But I am going to apply 2 layers of this, and for some reason I was so shaky and getting polish all over the place because I was pretty much drinking a lot of coffee the day I recorded this video, and I already get the shakes so quickly and so badly, but drinking coffee and anything that contains caffeine just makes my shakes even worse. I really shouldn't have done that. that when recording videos, but you know, sometimes you're just craving a little coffee. So if you have any spilling of polish in the cuticle area or just on the skin around the nails, be sure to remove it either with like a little orange wood stick or your nail, or even a little brush and some nail polish remover. But the next color I am going to use is Hot Wire Pink. This one is also from that new Electric Hollows collection by Holo Taco. I really love it. It is definitely my favorite from the collection, just between you and me. I love my hot pinks, and it's just such a gorgeous holo. All of the colors from that collection are fully linear holographic, but this one is so eye-catching. It is gorgeous. I'm actually going to take a little piece of a kitchen sponge. You can use a makeup sponge for this as well, but because I like to use whatever I have laying around, and kitchen sponges are really inexpensive and really easy to get by, I just prefer to use that. Also, it gives a little bit of more, how do you say that? It has a little bit more texture to it. If you are applying it to the nail like I'm doing, I'm just randomly dabbing on or sponging on that Hot Wire Pink polish to give it a little bit more depth. And I'm also going to do the same with a blue color by Orly. I really love this color. I have just recently received this one from one of my PR companies. They just once every now and then send me some beautiful polishes by Orly. And this one is called It's Brittany Beach. I love that name. And the color is just gorgeous. It is such a royal, beautiful blue, definitely one of my favorite blue tones that is out there. It is a little bit more sheer if you apply it full onto the nail, but yeah, if you want me to do like a nail polish of the week video on that blue color, definitely let me know in the comments down below, because that way I can really show you how opaque it is, or I have to say how quite sheer it is within just a few coats. But yeah, I hope I can actually make it opaque when applying it full onto the nail. But I just applied that blue color the same way as I did the Hot Wire Pink, just sponging it on random places to give a little bit more depth to it and to make it really super like Milky Way galaxy like. Then I'm going to take a little bit of a Holo Taco's Not Milky White. I'm going to put that on a resin plate and I'm going to put some dots on my nails, just representing some stars, maybe even some moons, you know, just to make it super galaxy-like. I do feel like I should have used a smaller dotting tool because some of these spots or dots are a little bit too big to my personal preference. But of course, if you only have one size, just use whatever you have laying around. Definitely, you don't need to spend like a lot of money on nail art supplies. And if you don't have a dotting tool like I'm using right here, you can use like a toothpick or even like a needle or something like that. There are so many options you have in your house probably that you can use for nail art, just like I use the kitchen sponge, you know. But to totally spice up this design, I am going to apply a top coat and some beautiful oil slick kind of looking gems. I've been eyeing these gems ever since I put them in my nail art stash like cabinet, the really big one with a lot of the little drawers. You might have seen it if you've seen like 2 years ago, like my nail art supply collection or something like that. I still use that cabinet and it is great to stock all of your glitters and gems. But I really wanted to add some gems because it's been so long that I actually did a nail art like this, and I just chose to add a couple of different sizes. I'm not quite sure what these sizes are because there are like 6, or yeah, I think there are 6 different sizes in the particular box of gems that I got, but these pretty much represent planets in my opinion. I think it looks so cool, and I did apply it with, or adhere it with some top coat. Unfortunately, I didn't wait long enough before or till applying that top coat, because you can see a little bit of dragging of the white polish, but that's not bad actually. Now looking at it, it pretty much just looks like a shooting star or something like that, like phew, going through the night sky or something. You know, I have quite an
imaginative brain. So yeah, just look at it like I did, you know, just a shooting star. No biggie, like no issue if you have a little bit of like dragging of white polish going on. It happens to the best of us. And usually, you know, there are no rules to nail art, and at the end of the day, if you don't like it, you can just remove it as well. It is as easy as that. But that was pretty much the entire design already. I think it's really cute. I really felt inspired by the whole like stack of necklaces that heyhappiness.com sent out to me. The jewelry itself, as I said, is €66.90. It is not super inexpensive, but they're definitely quality-wise items that you can use for years and years and years if you at least treat them the way you're supposed to. You can actually shower and swim with them as well, which is a big plus. And yeah, definitely check them out. I do have a discount code if you want to use it. I will use or leave all of the information down below in the description box, as well as the link to their web store and the set of layered necklaces. As I mentioned, you can get them separately as well, but just choose whatever items you'd like. They have a whole shebang, beautiful collection of jewelry. They have rings, necklaces, bracelets, like earrings. They have so many items. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video as well.